I want to quickly talk to you about no income verification loans. And those loans will actually give you anywhere from $1,000 all the way to 50 grand. Okay. So here are the top loans I want you to really pay attention to. The first lender I want to share with you when it comes to no income verification loans is actually Credit Ninja. And the cool thing about Credit Ninja is that you are able to get a maximum of $5,000 with no income verification. So if you have a job or don't have a job, that's fine too. They will give you the loan. Of course, they will check maybe to make sure that you can repay the loan. Okay, but yeah, the Credit Ninja is a really great platform to really try this year if you're looking for no income verification loans. Again, maximum $5,000. On that website, what I love about the website is that in addition to a no income verification loans, they also give you a bad credit loans, and they also give you online installment loans. So you have three categories of loans that you can really get through this platform. Okay, and the platform has been around since about nearly 10 years now. So that's kind of cool, and they've processed more than half a million loans. That really tells you a lot about the credibility of this platform. And what I love about the platform is that they give you the cash real fast. Okay, I mean, when you're looking for a no income verification loan, you don't want a loan that actually disperses after 3 days or 1 week. No, with Credit Ninja, they will disperse your funds actually within 24 hours. Okay, so what happens here is that once approved, once you sign your loan document, your money may get directly deposited the same day. So if you apply, let's say in the morning, and you get approved 2 or 3 hours afterwards, okay, you can get the cash probably around end of the day. So that's kind of cool already from a flexibility point of view, okay. And so with Credit Ninja, you can have a repayment window that goes from 2 years all the way to 5 years. So that's actually the repayment window they actually work with. So 24 months all the way to 60 months. If you're looking for a no income verification loan, I want you to really think about Fast Cash. Fast Cash is kind of cool, but the only thing is that they do not really give you that much. They'll give you anywhere from $100 to $1,000. So as long as your, let's say, your needs are not really that high, you can really get the loan you want from Fast Cash. Okay. Now, Fast Cash actually specializes in payday loans, cash advance loans, online emergency loans, online loans. So you have all kinds of loans with Fast Cash. And what I love about this platform is that when it comes to a no income verification loans, the application process cannot be faster. I mean, Fast Cash will take care of you in 1 to 3 minutes. Can you imagine that? 1 to 3 minutes, and you are good to go. That's it. Okay, nothing to really worry about. They will actually they'll send you the cash within 24 hours after approval. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And you are also able to apply it from your mobile phone, from your smartphone, actually. So actually, there is a Fast Cash mobile app that allows you to really even accelerate the application process. So that's really fantastic. And what you also love with Fast Cash is that they want you to really be at least 18 years of age. Okay, they're not going to verify your income, but they want you to really have, let's say, proof that you can repay the loan at least for 3 months. So, for instance, if they give you $500, because remember, Fast Cash is giving you $100 to $1,000. If they give you $500, you have to show them that you have at least $1,000 or $1,500 in your bank account, so that you can really repay the loan over over 3 months. Now, of course, if they give you $500, you're not paying $500 in one shot, in one installment. If they give you 1 year or 2 years to pay it, maybe you'll pay $50 or $30 or $25. Okay, the point I'm trying to make here is that with Fast Cash, you are getting a lower amount, a lower loan amount, 100 to $1,000, but you can also be approved faster. So that's really good. If you're looking for a no income verification loan this year, I want you to really think about Ace Cash Express. So Ace Cash Express is going to give you a loan without verifying your income. Okay, and but again, Ace Cash Express is kind of similar to Fast Cash in the sense that they're giving you a maximum of $2,000, not the 5 grand that the Credit Ninja was giving you. Okay, but hey, listen, if you need if your loan needs are not really that high, you can really go for Ace Cash Express, $2,000, and Ace Cash actually specializes in addition to no income verification loans. They also specialize in payday loans, in cash advance, in installment loans, in title loans also. So that tells you a lot about what they can really provide you in terms of funding. But Ace Cash Express is not available actually in all 50 states. So before you actually go with Ace Cash Express, please verify that you live in a city and state where they are actually present. Okay, and because yeah, it's one of those things. I mean, they're constantly adding new states to their repertoire, if you will, but they're not present nationally yet. But what I love about Ace Cash Express is that they've been around for more than 50 years. Okay, they're not really just they're not a rookie lender. Okay, 50 years, that tells you a lot about their proven track record. It tells you about their success rate. It tells you about their ability to be here again for the next 50 years or whatever. Okay, and also, Ace Cash Express allows you to go get the cash at a branch. I mean, they don't call it branch. They call it stores. Okay, so they have offices where you can, of course, you can get the cash digitally. You can get the cash online. They can wire the money to your account, or you can just walk in a physical store and actually get the cash from there. So they have about 1,000 stores nationally, and they are present in 22 states. Okay, 22 states as of the date of this show. But they're also present, by the way, in DC, in Washington D.C. So, just make sure once again that they are present in your states before you actually apply at Ace Cash Express. If you're looking for a no income verification loan this year, I want you to really consider King of Cash. King of Cash is going to give you a maximum of $5,000. Okay, so the loan amounts that they have actually go from $100 to $5,000. So that's kind of cool. And by the way, King of Cash also has a line of credit. So if you're looking for a no income verification line of credit, then King of Cash can really help you as well. And so they have signature loans, they have personal loans, they have online installment loans, they have rapid cash loans, they have short-term loans, same-day loans, $500 loans, and $1,000 loans. So that's really cool from a flexibility point of view. You will love it. And one thing that I love with King of Cash is that you are able to get your cash within 6 hours, literally 6 hours. So if you apply around eight or nine in the morning, by 3 or 4, if everything is fine, you'll get your cash. You get your cash. That's really, you can't get faster than that. I mean, so if you are looking for a lender, they'll take care of you in an emergency. King of Cash can really help you big time. Okay, and you are speaking to a very 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 experienced lender. So King of Cash, kind of similar to Ace Cash Express, has been around forever. I mean, King of Cash has been around for more than 40 years. 40 years. So that tells you, I mean, for the last four decades, they've been helping, people actually get loans. I mean, but again, remember, you are looking at a maximum of $5,000. That's it, nothing more. So if you're looking for a large no income verification loan, you can't really get it from King of Cash. You have to go to another player, okay? But if you want to really start the loan application process, just go to their website and fill in the form. Like you just spend 1 or 2 minutes to go through the application, and then you will see how much you can qualify for. So that's really good. If you're looking for a no income verification loan, I want you to really think also about quick to lend. Quick to lend is a really fantastic lender that will give you a maximum of $3,000. So the loan range goes from 250 $250 to $3,000. Okay, and the cool thing is that you don't have to go to a branch. You don't have to go to a physical store. They will process your personal loan online. Okay, so that's kind of cool, and you are able to borrow from 3 to 36 months through Quick to Lend. So that's kind of cool also. And one thing I want to say is that you can use the loan for any purpose. Sometimes no income verification loans will put, let's say, a restriction on how you can use the funds, but Quick to Lend doesn't have that. Okay. And you can get the cash in your account, in your bank account, maybe within 12 to 24 hours. Okay. So that's really good. That's really good in terms of sorry about that. In terms of the loan application process, you are able to get things done a lot faster. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So if you were to consider quick to lend this year, remember that you are looking at 250 to $3,000. You're looking at 36 months maximum in terms of repayment window, and also you might be approved within 3 minutes. I mean, this was kind of cool. I mean, this lender really takes care of you in terms of flexibility, in terms of paperwork. They're not going to ask you to provide tons of paperwork. No, they will work with you if you have a small. Let's say even if you have they might ask you maybe to provide banks your bank statements, or in some cases your tax returns. Anyway, they're not asking you for your income verification, but they still want to make sure that you have the funds to repay the loan. So because whatever way you can really prove that you have the capability to repay the loan, basically you should, if you're able to do so, you should get the loan real fast. So it's important to pay attention to that part of the process. So if you're looking for a no income verification loan, I want to really introduce you to Check and Go. Check and Go is a pretty good lender in the sense that they're giving you a maximum of $10,000 in no income verification loan. So while the others were giving you a 1,000, 3,000, 2,000 maximum, Check and Go is actually going higher by giving you a 10 grand maximum. Okay. And Check and Go actually has other loans that they are actually offering. They offer installment loans. They offer emergency installment loans. They offer payday loans, cash advances. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. You're able to be approved for a larger array of loans. Okay. So maximum here is $10,000. You can actually apply for this. You can apply for this loan online. That's an important element. Okay. And one thing I want to say here is that you are able to get a loan actually within 24 hours. They're not as fast as the other, as quick to lend, for instance, but you might get 24 to 48 hours. One thing I want to say is that let me just say the states where they're present, because Check and Go also is geo restricted. They're not available nationally, so they are available in Alabama, California, Delaware, Florida, Idaho, Indiana, Kansas, Maine, Missouri, Montana, North Dakota, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Texas, Utah, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So I really want you to really understand that, because if your state is not in the list, please just go for another lender. Okay. Let me repeat the states again, because I want to make sure that when you apply, you are in the right geography. So Alabama, California, Delaware, Florida, Idaho, Indiana, Kansas, Maine, Michigan, Montana, North Dakota, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Texas, Utah, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So those are the states where this company is present. So that's kind of cool. And one thing I want to say is that they will really fund you within 24 to 48 hours. If you're looking for a no income verification loan, I want you to really think about the Money Mutual also this year. And Money Mutual is giving you anywhere from $200 to $5,000. So that's kind of cool. So this is a no income verification loan, and Money Mutual is a more established lender because they've been they are more they're present in more states. Okay, and you also have the ability to get the cash within 24 hours. This is kind of cool. And this company has been serving nearly 2 to 3 million customers since its inception. So that's kind of cool. And you are able to get your money fast, but also you're able to go through like you can be a repeat borrower. So when you borrow, let's say you borrow $3,000 or $5,000, if you're able to repay the loan, you have the possibility to actually borrow again. And at terms and conditions, they are even better than they were the first time around. So it really helps to be a repeat customer with Money Mutual. And but the conditions are different though, based on the states where you are at. Okay, so basically, if you want to know more, just call 1-800-408-4110. 1-800-408-4110 to have more information about, let's say, the loan itself, how much you can qualify for, and also how fast you can be funded if you were to go through the process. Okay, and one thing I want you to really also remember is that with Money Mutual, Money Mutual, yeah, Money Mutual, you just want to really fill out a simple and secure form. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And then after you send that, they will review it. They will review the info. They'll also make sure that you are able to get things done faster. Now, by the way, one thing I need to insist on is that Money Mutual is not a direct lender. I mean, I don't know if I said it before, but they're not a direct lender. I mean, Check and Go is a direct lender, but Money Mutual is actually a loan marketplace. It's an online marketplace where you can really just access, you can tap into various lenders, okay, banks, credit unions, online lenders, and alternative lenders. So basically, that really increases your chances of approval too, because you know you will see a lender, you will have a lender who likes your profile, who wants to work with you, even if you do not actually have income verification paperwork. So that's kind of cool from a flexibility point of view, but also from an accountability point of view. So as a takeaway in today's conversation, I spoke to you about no income verification loans. I spoke to you about the top loans that include Credit Ninja, Fast Cash, Ace Cash Express, King of Cash, Quick to Lend. You have a Check and Go, and finally you have Money Mutual. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.